The next part of this examination is the ear examination. उस तरफ देखिए. You focus your light onto the examining ear and check for and go for inspection of the ear. Check the contours of the or the laryngeal cartilage, auricular cartilages framework. Look for any deformity in the appendages of the auricle. Sometimes in cases of trauma there is distortion of the appendages of the cartilaginous framework of the pinna, which is called cauliflower ear. Cauliflower ear, in which there is deformity and there is distortion in the cartilaginous framework of the pinna. Look for preauricular area. Look for any sinuses or discharging fistula in the preauricular area. Look for any parotid area, any swelling over the parotid area. Look for any swelling. Look for any scar mark. Look for any pulsations. And then you will examine the post-auricular area. For post-auricular area, you will gently retract the ear, but first ask for any tenderness. कहीं कान में आपको दर्द तो नहीं? You gently retract the ear and check the post-auricular area. Sometimes post-auricular area is missed by the students in examination, so this is very important. Look for any scar mark of mastectomy. Post-oral incision is given in this area, in the retroauricular groove. Look for any fistula formation, mastoid fistula, or any abscess or swelling in the post-auricular area, and look for any pulsatile swellings or pulsations. The glomus tumors of the middle ear, they pulsate and they appear as a pulsatile swelling in the post-auricular area, or sometimes they also appear as a pulsating swelling in the external auditory canal as well. So then we come to the palpation of the ear. This is the helix, this is the antihelix, this is the crus of the helix. If I will be able to point it out, this is the crus of the helix, this is the helix, this is the antihelix, this is the triangular fossa, this is the cymba concha. This portion between the crus of the helix and the antihelix is the cymba concha. This is the concha, and this is tragus, and this is antitragus. This is the lobule of the ear of the pinna, and the portion between this area, the tragus and the crus of the helix, is devoid of cartilage, incisura terminalis. After as we have asked for tenderness, then we will going to perform the ear examination. This is ear speculum, or it is also called Rosen's ear speculum. You focus your light onto the ear. For right-handed persons, it's the natural habit of holding the right ear into the area when you are examining the right ear. You naturally, when your legs are crossed and the patient is facing outwards, then automatically your ear speculum will be coming into your right hand when you are examining the right ear. Similarly, when you will go for other ear, you will cross the patient in the otherwise on the other side, and you will hold it in the left ear. So I am going to examine the right ear. Gently insert this ear speculum in the outer 1/3 of the external auditory canal and examine the external auditory canal. Look for the status of the tympanic membrane. Look for any mass, any foreign body, any wax, any fungal infections of the external auditory canal, or any granulation tissue, any purulent discharge. This all details you will be able to see through this ear speculum examination. Do not poke the ear speculum into the deep into the ear canal, because the inner 2/3 of the ear canal is lined by mucosal epithelium, which is sensitive to pain. So be careful, do not poke the ear speculum into the patient's ear canal. You insert it after retracting the pinna outwards and upwards, upwards and laterally, and insert this ear speculum into the ear canal and see the details of the tympanic membrane. Okay. Then you examine the other ear. इधर टांग इधर कर लो. Make sure your light not be obstructed during the examination. Now, naturally I am a right-handed person, so the ear speculum automatically comes into my left hand when I am examining the left ear. So gently retract upwards, outwards and laterally the pinna and insert it in the outer 1/3 of the ear canal. Look for any perforations of the tympanic membrane, any fungal infection, otomycosis, impacted wax, ear discharge and any foreign body you can appreciate with this Rosen's ear speculum. So this completes your ear examination, and at the end you will be able to appreciate, you are supposed to do lymph node examination of the ear.